Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today once again I've collaborated with Cook with Rania. I'll be making passion and mango juice, and Cook with Rania will be making Kit Kat and Oreo milkshake. I'll put the link in the description box so you can able to check out how she make this amazing Kit Kat and Oreo milkshake. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channels, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of our videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy our recipes. On today's ingredients, you're going to need some water according to the thickness of juice you will want. You're also going to need some sugar according to the sweetness of juice you would like, 12 medium-sized passion fruits, 3/4 piece of cucumber, 2 medium-sized carrots, and lastly 1 ripe mango. So the first step, make sure you've washed your fruit before cutting them. Then take 1 passion fruit at a time, cut into 2 and remove the fruits and place them in a bowl. Then the next step, peel the outer skin of the cucumber and cut the cucumber into small pieces. Using this kind of a cutter, I'm going to remove the outer skin of the carrots and I'm going to cut the carrot into medium-sized pieces. Lastly, you're going to take your mango and peel the outer skin of the mango and then cut your mango into medium-sized pieces as you can see in the video. And I'm done cutting my fruits and it's high time to blend our fruits. In a medium-sized blender, I'm going to add the mangoes, carrot and cucumber. Then pour a bit of water and a bit of sugar. Then blend the fruits till everything is well blended. Once the fruits are nicely blended, then you're going to pour in a medium-sized bowl. Then the next step, you're going to blend our passion fruits. Pour the passion fruits and a bit of sugar, optional, and blend till nicely blended. Once you're done blending your passion fruits, then you're going to pour in a medium-sized bowl. Then it's high time to sieve our juice. Using a large sieve, I'll first sieve the passion fruits at least 3 to 4 times so I can get rid of the black seeds. So as you can see in the video, it's kind of hard removing the black seeds, but I'll try as much as possible to make them less. Once you're done sieving the mixture of the passion fruits, then you're going to sieve the mixture of the mango, cucumber and carrots. Then afterwards, you're going to mix everything well. So once you've combined everything together, at this point you can able to add more water and some sugar according to the thickness and sweetness you would like your juice to be. I'll sieve the juice once more, then I'm going to stir it once again to make sure that the juice is nicely combined. Then pour in a jug so that it can be easier to pour in a bottle. Lastly, I'm going to put my juice in the fridge so that it can get cold, or you can add some ice cube and serve your juice immediately. And my tasty, delicious passion mango fruit is ready, as you can see in the video. Like this juice, it's so tasty, and enjoy your passion and mango juice. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. Please don't forget to watch Kit Kat and Oreo milkshake from Cook with Rania. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.